Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate the party log in Fish It Game of Roblox Classic Event Update. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to go to the Classic Island. If you are at the Fisherman Island, you can use the teleport feature. Then you're going to go to this area and talk to this party wizard. Okay, like this, and then you need to have 300 coins for the party log, and I'm going to click on this menu, exchange 300 coins for log spell. Okay, and now the party log is activated, and you will see the purple thing, and I'm going to try to fish, guys. Wait, usually the boost will appear right here, but I don't know. Wait, let me try to fish. Oh, this one. It will last in an hour. Okay. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the party log in Fish It Game of Roblox Classic Event Update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!